looking for a future-proof career? This is your chance to make it happen in 2025. Watch till the end to get your roadmap. The fastest growing area with a huge talent shortage is your winning card. Cybersecurity is the best career choice in 2025 and future years because cybersecurity offers various roles, allowing individuals to specialize in different areas based on their interests and skill sets. Let's start with selected free cybersecurity courses with certificates that close you to your dream job in 2025. Every beginner in cybersecurity must take this certificate as a starting point. Having ISC² cybersecurity certificate shows your understanding of the fundamentals of cybersecurity and willingness to learn and grow on the job. The course starts with security principles in Chapter 1, where you learn information security concepts, SIAT triad, risk management, security controls, and governance. Chapter 2 focuses on availability of resources, including human and system. It provides understanding of incident response, business continuity, and disaster recovery, and their role to maintain business operation. Chapter 3 walks you through access control concepts, where you learn different types of access controls, the principle behind it, and how to manage physical and logical accesses. Chapter 4 is all about network security. It starts with explaining computer networks, common networking terms and models, common network protocols, ports, and how information exchanges in networks. Chapter 5 focuses on the daily task of security operations to protect organizations' digital assets. You learn the concepts of data security, encryption, system hardening, best security practices, logging and monitoring, and security awareness training. Cybersecurity Essential by Cisco Networking Academy. This self-paced course will help you to understand security controls for network, servers, and applications. You will learn security principles and how to develop compliant policies. The course helps you to implement procedures for data confidentiality and availability while developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. You can enroll in this course for free and earn a certificate upon completion. Cyber Threat Management. Cyber Threat Management course develops the advanced knowledge you need as a cybersecurity technician. This course explores governance in cybersecurity and threat management. You will also gain skills for managing threats, such as assessing a network for vulnerabilities, managing risks, and responding to security incidents. The course is free, and Cisco Networking Academy issues a certificate upon completion. Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. This course is designed for beginners and provides practical experience with Linux, Python, and SQL. The program is offered by Google in partnership with Coursera, which offers a 7-day free trial and financial aid. This course consists of Foundation of Cybersecurity, Managing Security Risk, Network Security, Automated Cybersecurity Tasks with Python, Linux, and SQL, which prepare you for cybersecurity jobs such as Junior Cybersecurity Analyst and Cybersecurity Engineer. Cyber Defense Pass by TryHackMe. If you are interested in Blue Team or Cyber Defense, I suggest you take Cyber Defense Pass free courses. If you find it useful and want to learn locked modules, subscribe to TryHackMe. Otherwise, the free modules are sufficient. Cyber Defense Pass includes 6 sections to cover necessary area to detect and respond to cyber threats. Section 1 is Cyber Defense Introduction, which includes Introduction to Network Theory and Basic Networking Tools, Windows Fundamental and Active Directory Basics. Section 2 is Threat and Vulnerability Management, which includes setting up Nessus Vulnerability Scanner, Threat and Vulnerability Management with OpenVAS, and Mitra resources for cybersecurity. Section 3 is Security Operations, which require premium subscription. You will learn how to configure and utilize different tools that are used in Cybersecurity Operations Center. Section 4 is Threat Emulation, which provides hands-on experience to emulate attack towards Active Directory. Section 5 is Incident Response and Forensic, which equip you with tools and techniques to identify cybersecurity incidents and response. Section 6 is Malware Analysis and Reverse Engineering. You learn how to analyze malicious files to prevent malicious actions and identify attacks.